Welcome back to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to be removing the driver door. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. This is a Ford Aspire. Aspire to be amazing. That's the back of it, and that's the front. And then we're going to go here. This is how you remove the front door. The horn barely works, but anyway, so there's 6 fasteners, 2 right here, which are 12 millimeter. They removed it, 1, and there's 1 right beside it, right here. We remove those 2, and there's 2 smaller fasteners. These are 10 millimeter. They are right in here. Where are they at? There we go. Right there, those 2 fasteners. And then there's 2 down here, that hinge right there. So remove all 6 of those, and we'll go from there. I have to use a wrench, a 12 millimeter wrench, to get the top hinge and the bottom hinge, because the clearance, I can't get the clearance with the sucker wrench. But not even the adjustable one. If you have one of those wrenches that clicks inside, whatever they're called, that'll work for you. Now I'm going to use that Xbox 360 to hold up the door, because once you loosen the last bolt, you want it to be, you don't want the door sagging when you're loosening a bolt, so you want the door to be up, just as it would be when you loosen it, and you just take the door off. You don't want it to sag and bend up the hinges and just bend a bunch of metal. You want it to just not sag. So here's my remedy. Okay, we got the 2 up here removed, and then this is just for show, but I got these 2 removed. I can just take that off right there, and just have the bottom 2 to remove. Got the wrench on there. Just got to remove that one and that one, and we have the Xbox holding up the door, so it'll be should be a good removal. For those really tough bolts to remove, I use fist power. Just use some fist power, and this is a wrench you have to take off and put back on, and push down counterclockwise, take off, put back on. It's not ratcheting. I need a ratcheting wrench, but I heard there's a junk. So I got all the bolts off, and the only thing holding on is, alright, can't forget about this little pin right here. Can't forget about it. Just gotta pop it out. I'm using a mallet. Use the rubber side. And then, if it doesn't come all the way out, try not to bend it up. But I want to use a pair of... Okay, once you get that popped out of there, you still have the electrical, this vacuum line back here has electrical wire running through it. So you'll just have to have it to contend with. And there's actually ants in mine. Let's see if I can get some ants to come out of here. Alright, that's how you remove it. Didn't break the glass. Installation is reversible removal, and I'm not going to do that right now because it's starting to rain, but you get the idea. So you can just visualize me installing that, putting that pin back in, putting the bolts back in, make sure it's all level and up in the air and great. Well, this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed me taking off that door. And no window broke, nothing broke. The only thing that broke, right, that I can see, is this electrical connection right here. So that could be a problem. There are ants in here. Look at all those ants in that electrical connection. on that door. Look at them. These ants are carrying their babies. Look at them. There's a whole bunch of ants in there. A whole bunch of them. I knew I discovered ants as soon as I pulled it off. Ants started popping out. I was like, all right, a discovery of a colony of ants. Let's just look at them. Look at those ants. This is bonus content. I removed that door, and it started raining on me. Check out this horn. Anyway, it started raining on me, and those ants are still in that electrical connection. I still need to put that door on, and I'm glad the window didn't break. That electrical connection, it snapped off when I showed you when I knocked the door off the way you're not supposed to. So I showed you how you're not supposed to do it, but I told you how to do it. But this electrical connection, you might have to take it off. See these right here? You're going to want to go inside your door panel. Just take a bunch of screws off. I'll have a future video on how to do that. But you want to get these electrical connections. You want to disconnect this before you attempt to take off this door. So here, I'll take these off, and I'll be right back at you. I removed one of the metal clips, as you can see. So that's what you want to do. You want to remove both the metal electrical connections inside your door. Just take that panel off, disconnect your electrical connection right here, and then go ahead and take your door off. And then installation is a reversal removal. I'm going to put the electrical connection. You might, if you can connect it up last, that's the best. But connect it up and then get the door on. But I'm gonna probably get the door on and then put the connection in. But you do what you want. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. I'm getting wet from the rain because there's no door here. Have a great and wonderful day. Little tool area over here. This is the tool zone. Can't wait to get my it's the mount to my tripod to be able to put my smartphone on the mount, so that way I can have stabilized the videos. They're not shaky because I'm just holding the camera. Alright, have a great day. Alright, an excellent time to start raining. So we got a little umbrella here, and an excellent time to start raining. Just an excellent time. Excellent time. Okay, I think I settled on a proper footing for that door to hang out on, so it's level and it has something to hang out on. So I use this chair right here. That worked temporarily, and then the Xbox didn't really work very well because it kept falling off. But I got one bolt on. I got my little umbrella here because it was raining. It's still raining a little bit, and even more water from the roof is coming down here, so that's nice. So we got one bolt on here, one bolt. I haven't hooked the electrical up yet. Got that one bolt on right there. So that right there is what. Ah! Almost got stung by a bee. Wow. Bee tried to sting me. It's crawling up my ankle. Wow, what a trip. Anyway, let's get back to the bowl. There's ants, there's bees. Trying to sting me. He was crawling up my ankle, getting ready to sting me. I don't want to tighten this all the way because we want to get the rest of them on, and then we'll tighten them all down at the end. Man, that bee tried to sting me. That is a nice Xbox 360, but too bad they all overheat like crazy. But the new ones, they work pretty good, but too bad that one doesn't work anymore. That was an adventure. There we go, an adventure. Alright, the door closes, that's all I care about. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great and wonderful day. And remember, you don't have to work all the time. You don't have to do anything. Have a great day.